Welcome to WordPress. Recently, I worked on a social platform built with WordPress. I had to add and edit user role based features in that site. It was a waste of time logging out and logging in as different user to test things out. It's a real boring thing in an entire WordPress development process. So if you are in such a situation, you can easily switch between different users. I will show you how. From plugins, search for user switching and you get these plugins: fast user switching, WP user switch, and there's this one, user switching. I will use this one. After the plugin is installed and activated, first of all, you can switch off and log in back quickly without providing username and password. During WordPress development, there are things we have to test for logged in users and logged out users separately. This switch off thing makes this process easy. From top right corner, you can switch off account. Click this switch off link. Okay, now we are logged off. Let's go to admin page again. And here we see this link. Switch back to admin. No need to provide username or email address or password again and again. Just click at this link and I'm logged back in. So this is first thing. Now if you want to switch between different user accounts, go to all users, use switch to link below any user to switch logged in user. For example, I am logged in as admin. I can switch to this user by clicking switch to link. Now I am logged in as this user. I can switch back to admin. I can switch off. I can go to all users again. Now Jack is a shop manager, not an administrator. So he cannot switch between different users. Only admin can. So we can switch back to admin and then admin can switch to any user. Let's switch to this user. Now I am logged in as this user. Switch back to admin. Now administrator is logged in again. So this is how it works. Administrators can switch to any other user instantly without providing email address or password. An admin can also switch off his account and can quickly sign in without providing username and password. This is how easy it is to switch between user accounts in WordPress. This plugin is extremely useful for WordPress developers and for development process. Do not use it in live site. Okay, I hope it helped. Like, share, subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.